Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your desktop. Make sure your Google account has two-factor authentication available and that you can sign in. Next, install an Android emulator such as BlueStacks or LD Player. These create a phone environment on your PC. Once the emulator is running, use its built-in Google Play Store or sideload the Google Authenticator APK into the emulator. This gives you the actual Authenticator app on desktop, and you're now ready to open it and begin pairing accounts. Once the app is installed inside the emulator, open Google Authenticator and choose to set up a new account. You'll see options to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Most desktop setups use the QR image shown on the website. So, on the website or service you're securing, open two-factor setup and display the QR code. Then use the emulator's camera emulation or switch to enter setup key and paste the secret. Make sure the account name is recognizable. To complete setup, type the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the service's verification field. This proves the desktop app and service are synced. Once verified, save any backup codes the site provides and label the entry in Authenticator so you won't confuse accounts. If codes ever fail, make sure the emulator's clock matches your computer's clock. Time drift is the usual culprit. Finally, secure the emulator like any sensitive app. Lock the user session and avoid exporting the app state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.